people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something different and very challenging for myself because I'm gonna create a look which created by the goddess of makeup Nikki Tutorial. So I picked the look, this one. She created this look on Pride month and this is absolute gorgeous. This is a pop-up art which I'm gonna create. I hope I can justify the look. And one disclaimer that I don't have the same products. I'm not even close to her skill, so do not judge me on that. I fall in love with this look and I thought to recreate this. Now I'm gonna start, but before that, if you're new in my channel, hi, my name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And now without any further delay, let's start. So she created very dark eyebrow as it is a pop-up art. So I'm gonna do the same, means I will try to do the same. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline gel liner for my brow. The brow is also very roundish, so I'm gonna create that. The brow is round from the starting part also. So the brow is going to be something like that. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna complete this one. Eyebrow is quite done. I have cut my length thoda sa just to match her look, and now I'm going to prime my eyelid and I'm using a Legal Pro concealer in the shade Porcelain. I don't know why I'm using my left hand. मैं इस हाथ से ना कुछ नहीं कर सकती, like literally I can't do anything with my left hand. I'm going to shade it with the Kryolan TL4 powder. So I'm taking very little amount of powder and I'm going to press that all over my lid with the sponge. She has created blue on her one eye and pink on her another eye. This is a Pride look. So I'm gonna create that blue one here and the pink one is here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Pretty Allset eyeshadow palette. First of all, I'm going to use this shade, thoda sa isko mila ke, as my transition color. And she always use colors here also, so I'm gonna do that same. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend that edges. And now I'm going to use this one and I'm going to stamp that here. She has used a very light shimmery blue shade in the inner portion. I'm going to use this one and I'm going to use my finger. Now it's time for liner and I'm going to use this Faces Canada All Time Pro Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And she has created a graphic liner. Just like this. And she has created fake lashes here. And after that she has created a fake liner here, so I'm going to add that also with the black. Shadow. I think liner will work better. Then she put it blue shade again. And now it's time to create the fake lashes. She added some white liner, so I'm gonna use my Athena palette by You Can Be to add some white liner in the inner portion of my eye and on the outer portion as well. So the first eye look is completed. Now I'm gonna do this side of my eye, and this side she has pink. So for the pink side I'm gonna use this pink as my transition color, and then I will use this two shade. So I'm taking that light pink shade as my transition color and I'm gonna apply that just above my crease area. Now I'm using dark pink shade and I'm blending. And for here I'm gonna use this beautiful pink shimmer. This is a baby pink shimmer which I really love. Now it's time for the liner again. Now it's time for the graphic line. I have done that black liner here as I have done here. Now I'm going to smudge this liner with a black shadow. Now I'm going to add pink color here. Time for the fake lashes. Time for the white liner. Now she has done yellow blush on this pink side and orange on her temple. So I'm gonna do that same. So I'm taking some yellow, some mustard color, not yellow, to contour my face and as my blush. And now I'm taking some orange and I'm going to apply that here. For this side of her temple, she used a light green shade, so I'm applying that. And I'm going to blend it with a big fluffy brush. For this side of her blush, she used pink. Here I added some black liners just as to show the proper points. Here, some here. Time to add some highlighter. Adding the dark red lipstick. So the final look is completed. I have added the falsies off camera and the look is totally completed. I don't know how much I justified the look, but I tried my level best. She's a goddess of makeup, so I cannot reach to her level, but I tried my level best. Now please guys, let me know that you like this look or not, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't follow me yet, then please do follow me there. I'm gonna share the links in my description box, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.